channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY lantern. This is mostly a Dollar Tree DIY. Almost all the things I have used here are from Dollar Tree, just for one or two items which I have bought from Walmart and Amazon, but you can easily find those in Dollar Tree. So I'll leave a link down to everything down in the description so you guys can go ahead and buy from there. And also, if you haven't watched my last video, I leave a link to that on the I bar. You can click that and go ahead and watch that. That's a really interesting video as well. With that being said, let's begin with the video. For this project, I have used 6 8 by 10 frames from Dollar Tree. I have already prepped the frames by gluing the glass to the plastic part of the frame and removing all the backing using glue stick and E6000 just for the sturdiness. Do the same thing for all the 6 frames. I have already prepped it beforehand. Once that is done, you have to create a rectangle box using 4 frames. Again, I have used E6000 and glue stick to stick those and let it dry. Do the same thing for the box as well as the bottom of the lantern. Once that is done for the top part, I have used these tiny magnets, which I'll leave a link to those in the description box, and stuck those to the corners and the top frame which I'll be adding, so that they'll give an easy access and also won't fall off easily. You can do a different shape here. I have just kept it rectangle because I did not have an access to the plug point, so I had to use the battery operated lights. So the next part here is I'm doing a fence. So I had other plans here of doing a fire pit, but that dropped off because of the space. So I'm just doing a fences here using some popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree again. I'm just showing here that how to build a fence and paint. So these can be done however you want. This does not have to be perfect. It's kind of crooked is also good, which gives that rustic look. Now it's time to paint those fences. I'm using black and brown. So first I'll paint the fences with black and then dry brush the brown on top of it once they are dry, just to give that rusty fence look, if that makes any sense. Once that is done, let them dry. Now take a cardboard and remove the top layer of the cardboard to make a cone. Um, so make a cone here to make a DIY Christmas tree because I did not have an artificial Christmas tree of this length. So I thought, why not, let's create one. I have done 3 Christmas cones or Christmas tree using cardboard. So one is this length and other two are, one is medium and short. Once the cones are done, now take some yarn. You can take any color. I have chosen these 3 colors: dark green, medium green, and a light green. All you have to do is cover these cones with yarn. You can leave some space in between just for that rustic look, but you can totally go ahead and do however you want. So once they are done, this is how it looks. So you can still see the cardboard at the bottom, but that's okay. So I also had these 3 artificial mini Christmas trees. I'm kind of using I'm kind of mixing these two. You can use any one. So all my fences are dried up as well. So now it's time to arrange the lantern. So I'm using this snow fluff or snow sheet inside the lantern, and then place arranging the trees here and there however you want. I'm also using this miniature light, the battery operated one, and also this house from Dollar Tree. So I had a different plan here before, so I thought I would add a fire pit in front of the house, but the fire pit became too big, so I had to just remove it in total. And yeah, that's what I'm kind of doing here, seeing what works well for me. But I felt the house and the fence with the Christmas tree looks really good. I still added that light behind the house just to give more light and depth to the lantern. So yeah, that's it. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this DIY lantern as much as I did. So if you ever recreate this, please tag me on Instagram at simply DIY. I'll leave a link down in the description for you guys to go ahead and follow me there as well. And please do subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, which will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it. And also stay tuned for a new video on Tuesday and Friday every week. With that being said, yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye.